Hi there, it's Mr. Clark. Welcome to lesson 1.ET.5, the final draft, and also the final lesson of Unit 1. So, what we're going to do now is combine all of the work that we've already done and present it in a form that someone, like me, could play on the piano so you can hear what your melody and bass line sound like together. So the first step is going to be to create a grand staff. And in fact, you may not have it set up like this for you, but I am going to be lazy. I already have my melody written here, so I'm just going to turn this into a grand staff. Got my treble staff. Got a bass staff. I will also need to write the time signature down here. Got my line and my brace. The other thing I need to do is make sure that my bar lines extend across both staves, including the final bar line. So again, this may not work on the staff paper you have set up. I just saw this opportunity and I took it. So, all I need to do is copy my bass line that I figured out into the bass staff here. So if I have a 1 chord, I'm going to write scale degree 1 in the bass. If I have a 5/7 chord, I'm going to write scale degree 5. And it keeps going like that. Remember, scale degree 1 is C, and I want a note that fills this entire bar. We're in 2/4 time. 2 quarter notes fill an entire bar. 2 quarter notes is the same as 1 half note. Note that I am lining up the beginning of each note. If I wrote a half note here in the middle of the bar, that would look weird and wrong. We want notes that sound at the same time to be vertically aligned. So C, 1, 1. And then whether you choose a high 5, or a low 5, whether you write the G up here in the 4th space or down here on the first line, doesn't matter. I'm going to write it up here, because I can. And then it doesn't happen in my piece, but supposing you had 2 quarter notes, which, I could do. Again, you just want to make sure that that vertical alignment is happening so that the second quarter note lines up with where beat 2 is in the melody. Well, I'll put a low 5 here, because why not? Okay. And there we have it. So this grand staff is what you want to turn in for your final draft. And this will count as a quiz grade. You've already had all of the work checked previously, so should be good to go. But again, this is a mastery quiz sort of situation, so if anything is going weird, we'll chat about it, give you a chance to fix it, and you have completed your first ear tune. Congratulations. Next step will be to take the Unit 1 exam, and then move on to Unit 2.